Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to troubleshoot age verification problems on Wizz. So first, make sure you're using the latest version of the Wizz app, and then open the app and check that your account information is correct. If Wizz asks you to complete age verification, then follow the instructions shown directly inside the official app. Then make sure any required photo or document is clear and meets the instructions. Another thing you should do is avoid using edited images or incorrect information because that can cause verification to fail. And you should also check your internet connection and restart the app if the verification screen gets stuck. If the app still doesn't accept your verification, then you need to check whether Wizz has requested additional information. And if you believe your age was incorrectly detected, use Wizz's official support or appeal process. So the safest solution is to follow the official verification process and contact Wizz if the system made a mistake. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.